Hi guys, welcome back with Tutorial. Now I'm going to be showing you how to create links in HTML. Remember I told you at the start of this tutorial that the trick to HTML is that whatever you want to do in HTML, everything is represented using tags. So all I just have to do is to call the link tag. The link tag is okay, let me demonstrate in the new file. Okay, I'm going to save it as hyperlinks hyperlinks.html. Let's save it. It's an HTML file. Hyperlinks. Okay, the hyperlink tag is the A tag. Let me show you the hyperlink tag. It has an opening tag, then a closing tag. Whatever you want to write in a hyperlink, let's say, okay, this is a link. Wherever you want the link to lead to is where you are going to declare inside this href attribute. Let's say we want this to link to one of our previous examples. Let's say we want it to link to list.html. Just type in list.html inside the HTML attribute, inside the href attribute, and we'll save it. Then we'll go back to our browser, load the page, and click. And you see that's linked into list.html. This is just a typical example of how links are being used in HTML. You will notice I added an attribute called target equals to blank into the a tag. What the target attribute does is that it can be used to specify how the link is going to be. For example, this blank value of target attribute opens the link in a new tab. Look at it, click on it, it opens a new tab. This is the link. This is where the link got opened. So that's basically how the blank value works with target attributes. The target attribute can have other values as self, parent, top, yeah, top. So feel free to try the target values out on your own. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use relative and absolute parts. Okay, what is absolute part? Absolute parts are actually parts that lead to other websites apart from that's outside your own particular website. Let's say in your HTML file you want to link to a website that is different from that is outside your project files. Let's say you want to link to ugos.com. If you want to link to ugos.com, you can still maintain the target attribute. Let's say I want it to be blank. I want it to, instead of just declaring the file name all alone, you have to declare the URL of the website you want your link to lead to. In this instance, I want it to lead to google.com, so I'll type it in full https google host google.com. So I'll go ahead and save it and open this in. Can you see? It opens it in a new tab. Can you see? This is our where we declare the link, and it opens it here. So that's just how to declare an absolute part in HTML. If you want, what we might do, part is just what we did before, that we just added the name of the file that we want the link to lead to. But let me now give you an example. Let's say the file is now inside a subfolder or outside the folder of your project. Let's say inside the project file we have a folder called we create a new folder. Let's call it parts. We now moved our list.html file inside the parts. Okay, if we want to access our list.html file, let me just duplicate this tag, this link. You cannot just type list.html as the link. This is, let me change this to, this is an absolute link. This is a relative link. If we go back to our browser, refresh. Okay, let me put this in a paragraph so that it can be on different lines. open, close, paragraph tag, and close, refresh. Okay, if I click on relative link, see, your file was not found. That's what it's saying. Your file was not found. So if I want to reference the list of HTML now, because it's inside a folder called parts, I have to include the folder name as part of the href attributes. If I save it now and try to open it now, let me close this file. Is file not found. Let me refresh, then click on this link now. I see it brings stuff for me. So basically, that is how to define absolute and relative paths in HTML. One more thing, let's say the link is outside of the project file. Let's say is let's say inside list.html. Let me open list.html. Open with Sublime. For list.html, and I declare a link inside list.html, and I want it to link to hyperlink.html, because hyperlink.html is not in the same folder as this is a link outside the folder, because hyperlink.html is not inside the same folder as list.html. So I have to add a 2 dots followed by a slash followed by the file I want to declare. I save it as hyperlink.html. Oh, hyperlinks is S. Let me put it in the paragraph tag. Yes. So let me go back to the browser. Let me refresh. If I go to it, so that's how to declare. This is also an example of a relative tag. What happens in a situation whereby I remove the 2 dots before the hyperlink.html file? Where is the this is not HTML? Yeah, let me try to go back. See, URL not found, because the paths folder is still being prefixed to the URL. That is why it's showing a not found error. So if you want to declare link to files that are outside the current web page, so you just have to add 2 clicks. If it's 2 folder outside the web page, you add another 2, and so on. If it's 3, the levels are going to keep adding // into before declaring the link. Yeah. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you about how to create forms in HTML. So you guys should sit back, relax, and watch out.